So this is Centenary City admin block right there. This is the roundabout inside Centenary. I'm taking you to one of the, I think is one of my favorite estates within this Centenary estate. Of course, by now you know that Centenary is a combination of different estates. There are different estates within this Centenary. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff Anozie, and if you're new on this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe button. I'm a real estate consultant. In fact, I'm your favorite real estate consultant so long as the Southeast is concerned. I'm based in Enugu and we're in Centenary today. I'm taking you to an estate called Divine Hectares Estate. I've done a video before. If you check on the upper right corner of this video, you'll see a link to that video I've done before. This is just an update video of this particular estate, and yes, we're driving to the estate, and from the gate, the first turn on the right, from the Centenary gate, first turn by the right is where we just entered. And then as you can see, there are houses around here. People are built, some people have moved in. All right, there's electricity, there is road network. Because of the rains, this place is a bit of a pool. They are waiting for the rain to go down, and then they build this road. Welcome to Divine Hectares Estate, Enugu. Divine Hectares is an estate inside Centenary City Enugu, like you just saw, just a few minutes drive from the road, from the gate, that Centenary entrance gate. This estate is about 10 minutes drive from Independence Layout, about say another 15 minutes drive from Government House, 20 minutes drive from the airport. This estate is right in the heart of town. You can see there's security. So I actually cut the video by the gates because the security man had to ask us where we're going to and all of that. You can see buildings coming up. The last time we came here, that particular duplex wasn't there, the one to the left that we just saw. Some of these buildings were not here the last time we came here, but as you can see, people have bought and are building. A lot of building is coming up right here. The beauty about this estate is that you can actually build what you like, so long as you're not building a two-story, like a two-story and above. It has to be a one-story building. You can see work is going on. That particular place is a block of flats, but it's going to be built beautifully. Like, it's going to be very fine. Like, you won't even notice it's a block of flats. Okay, is a 4 block of flats right there they are building. And you know, the beautiful thing is the estate is starred, there's drainages, and people actually live here. It's not like one of those estates you just buy the property and leave it for some time. No, you can actually build and move in immediately. Someone is clearing this land to the left, is about to move in. There's a bungalow here to my left that people live in. There's a duplex opposite it as well that people live in. So this is actually a buy and build. It's not somewhere you buy and live. And the plots are demarcated already, so once you pay, you get instant allocation. So Divine Hectares comes with a COO. The estate has a COO, and so when you buy, you get a deed of assignment, irrevocable power of attorney, and you can build immediately. No, go and come back tomorrow. Okay, so I did a very extensive video of this place earlier on. Just check out this top left corner of this screen. You will see a link to the video. Just hit that link, it takes you to that video. Meanwhile, this video is just meant to give you an update of what's happening here. There are some duplexes here as well. These were not here earlier on, so you can actually build this and rent it out, or if you want to live in it yourself, like that building at the extreme there, the owner lives there himself. So give me a call now. A plot of land here is still going for 17 million naira. Of course, it was 17 million from sometime early this year and up till now. Okay, but you know how these things work. As the place is running out, the price increases. But for now, it's still at 17 million naira, and you get roads are hard, accessible place in the heart of Centenary, so it's secure. Before you pass, you have to pass the first gate and before the second gate to get into the estate. So someone has to let you into this estate before you come in. Even this duplex here, there's a bungalow there. To the left here, you can see the security house. This place is secure, and this is the only exit and entrance in this place. There's an emergency gate, but that's just for emergencies. You can see down there, that is a block of flats, a 4 block of flats down there, and people live there. You can see their water and DSTV and all of that. All right, So go ahead and give me a call and let us bring you here for inspection and you pick on your plot. Again, you can check around this description of this video. You will see the videos I did earlier, the videos we did earlier, and you will see the progression of work here and how much of this place is getting occupied by the day. So go ahead, give me a call. Let's get you a spot here in Divine Hectares, because this is an estate meant for kings alone. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you can see this type of updates whenever we bring it your way. All right, thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, I'm Jeff Anozie.